So welcome back to once again my channel, and beautiful. Here are some creative crochet handbags ideas to inspire your elegant, your personal using handbags and beautiful style like different and colors and different styling. Crochet handbags, patchwork bags combine different crochet squares each with a unique pattern and color to create a patchwork style bags. And button flap and button zip. The choice flap bags design are bags with a button flap closer for add security and style. Rainbow crossbody use bright rainbow colors. Crochet a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. Crochet basket bag create a bag that resembles a woven basket with intricate stitch pattern and handles. Experiment with the geometric shapes like triangle, like different shape like box shapes, and or diamond to craft a modern and layer different beautiful articles and wax styles.